Tama ba na tawagin po itong Davao model or Davao style, Mr. Chair?
I cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you are
Chair.
not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr. Chair,
yes or no?
tinatanong ko lang na...
Yes, point of
Session
order.
suspended.
Napakasimple lang po ng tanong ko. Tinatanong ko lang po kung yes or no, Davao style ba yung inyong modelo. Mr. Chair, ayaw niya sagutin. So, Mr. Chair, hindi ko maintindihan yon. Pwede namang mag-expound, Mr. Chair. Ang tinatanong ko lang, sa particular question na yon, maaari naman siya sagutin ng yes or no. And then the explanation, Mr. Chair.
You should not control my answer. Kung this is not an inquisition, this is a democratic process of investigation.